Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply uh, a tourist e-visa to Kuwait step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to inform you that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official Kuwait eVisa website. So here we have the link. If you scroll down, first of all, this is not applicable to all the countries, okay? And only the following nationalities, as you can see in this table, are allowed to use this facility. Of course, e-visas are becoming popular around the world, but your nationality should be eligible, then only it's possible. All right. So after you are through this and you know, and moreover, there are more eligibility too, like if you are a GCC resident, okay, you can go through this criteria. And they have also informed the steps that you'll be informed via email, and you can allow the holder to stay for a maximum of 3 months starting from the entry date. Okay, so this is very important. And a tourist visa is valid to enter Kuwait state within a month from its issuance for a single entry. So this is a single entry visa. Okay, visa fee is 3 Kuwaiti dinar. Okay, and you can pay by credit card. All right. And for GCC resident, there are some professions. Anyway, you can go through it. I won't go much into that. So let's click on start and see what are the details they need. Okay. So it is asking that do you currently have a residence permit in a GCC country? So I select no, but whatever is your situation. Nationality it is asking. So first you need to determine if you are eligible or not, and then you need to answer this. Passport type, I select normal. But before I select no, email. Okay, I'm gonna fill these details and I'm gonna click on next. In the next section also you have like a disclaimer. So once you can read full, and once you agree, click on I accept. Now they are also asking about the previous nationality, place of birth, birth year. So I'm gonna put some sample. Next is ask about passport image that you have to upload. If I select no, what happens? I don't know. If I select yes, let's see what happens. Image must be ready. Yeah, so you have to select yes and then click no. Then it asks about the name, first name and family name, important. Then they have asked your name in Arabic, but it is not mandatory, but it will speed up your application. So it's case by case. Okay. Next, more important, more information about your passport, general information, gender, marital status, education, and some optional question about Kuwait. If you have ever been to Kuwait, passport number used to go into Kuwait last time. So I'm gonna put some, and then I'm gonna go to. Now it is asking about the uh, expected address in Kuwait. Of course, that's definitely gonna ask, and then your contact information. See, they have local Kuwaiti mobile number also. So let's fill this up. So now it is asking for the credit card number, and they have written that MOI Kuwait will not use credit card number for will use for verification only and will not apply any charges. Of course, not at this step, but later on, because we saw the fees earlier, and then you should have your documents ready as well to upload. So here I am stopping, but you got the information about the process, cost, eligibility, and all other things. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.